Want to know how to give your employees the simplest and most secure login experience possible? In this video, we'll show how to use the Hideez Cloud platform to enable passwordless SSO for your web services and start using biometrics or unique QR codes instead of passwords. So what is SSO, or single sign-on? Let's take a look. SSO is an authentication scheme. It enables a user to securely access multiple applications and services using a single ID. When SSO is integrated into apps like Gmail, Workday, or Slack, it provides a pop-up widget or login page for the same set of credentials. With SSO, users can access many apps without having to log in each time. SSO is built on a concept called federated identity. It enables sharing of identity information across trusted but independent systems. There are two common protocols for this authentication process. SAML, or Security Assertion Markup Language, is an XML-based open standard for exchanging identity information between services. It is commonly found in the work environment. The other common protocol is OpenID Connect. We should all be familiar with this. When we use our personal Google account to sign into applications like YouTube, we are using OpenID Connect. It uses JWT, or JSON Web Token, to share identity information between services. Once you log in to your Hideez Cloud account for the first time, you'll access the central dashboard, where you can add new users, manage their roles, departments, and positions. Set up integrations with cloud apps using SAML, OIDC, and WS Federation protocols. Manage connected Windows workstations, and review events related to user activities. A similar configuration process can be applied to any services like Google Workspace, Office 365, Slack, Zoom, and many more. You can add up to 50 users for free and contact us at support@hideez.com for technical assistance. Don't wait. Start your journey to a passwordless future today.